When it comes to generative art, RunwayML and AI Picasso are two heavy hitters, each offering unique features. But which one truly stands out for creating stunning, AI-powered artwork? Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of both, and I'll let you know which tool, in my experience, offers the best overall value for artists and creators alike. First, let's dive into RunwayML. It's widely known for its versatility and the ability to handle a range of creative tasks. Whether you're generating art, manipulating video, or working with text, RunwayML makes it relatively easy to build custom models. The platform is highly popular among professionals because of its robust set of tools and integration with other software. You can connect it to your existing creative pipeline, and it supports many different AI models for text-to-image, video generation, and even image super resolution. Next thing, AI Picasso. This tool is specifically focused on creating art and offers an easy-to-use interface that's accessible even to beginners. It's built to simplify the generative art creation process and focuses heavily on visual output. AI Picasso allows users to create unique, stylistic images based on various input prompts. While it's not as multifaceted as RunwayML, it does one thing very well: produce visually appealing artwork. The quality of the results can sometimes be hit or miss, but for those looking for quick, creative pieces, AI Picasso can be an excellent tool. Now, let's talk flexibility. RunwayML, by far, offers more options for creative professionals who want to explore different AI applications beyond just art. It's a powerhouse if you're working across various media types and need advanced capabilities. But for those who are strictly focused on generative art, the added complexity of RunwayML might feel a little overwhelming. You might find yourself spending time learning how to use features you don't need, instead of just creating. On the flip side, AI Picasso's focus on simplicity could be both an advantage and a disadvantage. It's great if you're looking for something quick and easy, but if you're aiming for more control and customization in your creations, it might feel a bit limited. The software provides less room for creative tweaking once you've generated an image. Another critical point to mention is cost. RunwayML has a subscription-based pricing model, and while it offers a lot of powerful features, it can get expensive, especially if you want to access their more advanced models or high-quality video capabilities. In comparison, AI Picasso often offers more affordable options for those who just want to generate images without all the extra features. However, with that cheaper price tag comes a lack of certain customization options. The user experience also differs a lot between the two. RunwayML has a more professional design, which can be great for experts, but may feel intimidating for beginners. AI Picasso, on the other hand, is more approachable and designed with ease of use in mind. If you're new to generative art, AI Picasso can give you instant gratification without having to dive deep into technical aspects. Next thing, *** quality of output ***. RunwayML's generated art is often praised for its consistency and ability to fine-tune models to achieve highly refined results. However, AI Picasso's artwork tends to have a more stylized, abstract feel, which might be appealing to those who are more into modern, experimental designs. If you're looking for realism or high-fidelity results, RunwayML generally has the edge. So, which one is better overall? Both tools are solid options, depending on what you're after. RunwayML is better for professionals or those who want a more comprehensive AI toolkit. But if you're mainly focused on generating unique art quickly and easily, AI Picasso might just be the simpler and more cost-effective choice. After trying both, I'd say RunwayML is the more powerful and versatile option, but if you want a straightforward, user-friendly tool that specializes in art, AI Picasso is hard to beat for the price. But here's the thing, if you're serious about generative art and want a tool that balances both quality and ease of use, I'd recommend you check out a better alternative that I've personally tried. If you're ready to take your generative art to the next level, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else, and you can test it out for yourself risk-free.